tried to save that house as much as I could because not only was it his family's, I understood the process moving forward.
Yeah.
Okay. Robert has torn down everything in there, and I'm so sorry. Okay, the way that the house is looking. I don't know if you've seen it before or not,
No.
but I wanted to apologize for that. Okay.
Okay.
He is now huffing and puffing about a lot of things. I didn't know if he reached out to you. He said, I'm gonna call Drew and I'm gonna give you all that money. You ain't getting shit, none of that.
Okay.
We amicably came to an agreement, which is only fair, 50-50.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So when I go there at 1 o'clock, you need to be there so that.
Please, no. Yeah, I was getting ready to say you are free to pull up anytime.
Okay. So we're ready to rock right now.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're doing 600 to you. Right? We're all in agreement. Okay. And this is for. Keys. And you guys have the keys?
No, we do not.
Where are they?
They changed the locks.
But you got in the bottom key.
No, we did not. I gave it to the cop the other day. Remember, I took it off my key ring. I do not even have keys. But you probably don't remember that.
Oh, shit. Sending this right now.
Guess what? If I wanted to keep a key, it would have just been copied. Stop it. This is not necessary. You ain't saying nothing. Please stop talking to me.
I didn't know you got my apologies.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was sent. Just make sure that you received it because it did probably all right. Do you have your Cash App square?
Right here on this map.
Okay. Breathe. Just breathe. You cool. Breathe.
I am now.
You breathe.
And that's what I told him.
Just breathe through it. Alright? Be strong.
So that makes me stressed.
You guys are going through a tough time. Don't count each other out, alright?
He is the tough time.
I get it. Let's go. You got it?
Okay.
Make sure you got it. Okay. Awesome.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. And like I said, just breathe through all this stuff.
Get ready. And I'm ready. I'm ready. I did.
Well, whichever path you choose to go on, I want it to be a good one for you, all right?
The right path to the top.
There you go.
We the property BRRRRothas. The property BRRRRothas.